Alright, I'm going to play the Trump video here in a sec. Just let me explain something. So, a Hawaiian judge blocked Trump's new travel order, and he did it on the basis of Trump's campaign rhetoric. This is pathetic. Why? Because a judge is supposed to interpret the law based on existing law. What Trump does or does not say at all in the campaign is irrelevant. It's irrelevant. It's based on pre-existing statutes. You cannot make a decision based on someone's rhetoric. The law doesn't work that way. And this new type of behavior these judges are showing, these really hardcore liberal activist judges, this worries me because I believe the foundation of America is shifting. And it appears it's shifting due to judges like these. So here's Trump's video. He goes over what happened with his ruling, but this is a poor ruling. This is a very poor ruling on the judge's part. It makes no sense.
So we have a lot of lawyers here. We also have a lot of smart people here. Let me read to you directly from the federal statute. 212F of the immigration, and you know what I'm talking about, right? Can I read this to you? Listen to this. Now, we're all smart people. We're all good students. We're all everything. Some are bad students, but even if you're a bad student, this is a real easy one, let me tell you. Ready? So here's the statute, which they don't even want to quote when they overrule it. And it was put here for the security of our country. And this goes beyond me because there'll be other presidents. And we need this. And sometimes we need it very badly for security of our country. It says, now listen to how easy this is. Whenever the president finds that the entry of any aliens or any class of aliens would be detrimental to the interests of the United States, he may, by proclamation, and for such period as you see, it wasn't politically correct because they should have said he or she. You know, today they'd say that. But that's all right. Actually, that's the only mistake they made. As he shall deem necessary, suspend the entry of all aliens or any class of aliens as immigrants or non-immigrants, or impose on the entry of aliens any restrictions he may deem to be appropriate. In other words, if he thinks there's danger out there, he or she, whoever is president, can say, I'm sorry, folks, not now, please. We got enough problems. We're talking about the safety of our nation, the safety and security of our people. This ruling makes us look weak, which, by the way, we no longer are, believe me. Just look at our borders. We're going to win. We're going to keep our citizens safe. And regardless, we're going to keep our citizens safe, believe me. Even liberal Democratic lawyer Alan Dershowitz, good lawyer, just said that we would win this case before the Supreme Court of the United States. Remember this, I wasn't thrilled. But the lawyers all said, oh, let's tailor it. This is a watered-down version of the first one. This is a watered-down version. And let me tell you something, I think we ought to go back to the first one and go all the way, which is what I wanted to do in the first place. The danger is clear. The law is clear. The need for my executive order is clear. I was elected to change our broken and dangerous system and thinking in government that has weakened and endangered our country and left our people defenseless. And I will not stop fighting for the safety of you and your families, believe me. Not today, not ever. We're going to win it. We're going to win it.